In this video, we'll have a look at three elements. One is list, second one is tuple, third one is dictionaries. Okay, all three are simple concepts. List is nothing but a collection of items. It could be sequence of numbers, strings, or it could be a mix of numbers and strings, whatever you want to have it. So it's just a collection. Okay, that is the thing. The second is the tuple. Tuple is same as the list. Only condition is it's not modifiable. When I say modifiable, you can't change the value once it is fixed or initialized. Okay, so that is the thing. And the third thing is dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but a key value pair. Okay, it comes as a pair. So when you give something, it will return you the associated value with it. So it's also called associative array or dictionary or maps in other programming languages. Okay, let's start with a simple list first. Okay, so the list could be of any name, whichever you want, as like any variables. So I'm just creating my list, and the braces should be this array braces, and let's give the values for it. The first value I'm going to give is a string, which is let's copy paste from the creator. I'm lazy, so I'm just copy pasting it. Second is a copyright. So let's give the second string here. The third string is let's give license. Okay. Okay, enough of strings. I'm bored with the strings. I can also give the numbers. So the number could be a normal number or a floating point number. Floating point is nothing but a dotted number, which is the digits. Okay. So if I want to print, I'm just going to give the list name and the index. Index is the place at which you want to access the element. So always the index starts with 0. For example, if I give 4, so the total number of elements is 5. It starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fourth element is 30.5. If you see at the bottom, the printed value is 30.5. Okay. If you want to modify the value, it's same as that way. Simple. So fourth element just equal to something else. Okay, whatever I want to modify. Let's assume I'm going to modify it with GUI. Okay, if I run it, it will be modified. Okay, now the fourth element in that list is GUI. So totally 4 strings in that. Okay, the next comes the tuple. The tuple is also same as the list. The only difference is the braces which you use. Here it is C braces. I'm just going to comment the second line. I'll tell you why I have commented it. If I print it, so it will give me the same result. There is no change in that. Okay, then what's the big deal about the tuple? Okay, so the big deal is like as I said, if I initialized, after that I'm trying to modify it, it will throw me an error. It will give me an error on my face. It says that object does not support assignments. The tuple does not support assignment. That's the point it is. So you can't do it. So this could be used when you want to fix something, and then if you don't want to change till the end. Okay, so that's the purpose of tuple. And the next thing is the dictionaries, okay, which is a key value pair. Okay, so the creator is a key and the value is Arun. I'm just giving copyright to my viewers, so who wants to view it? Okay, viewers. And the licenses, okay, I don't know the license, it could be a Apache license or a whatever Creative Commons license, whatever you want, and the number, let's say, to another value pair. You can set it to any string as well. So I'm just giving the same type, but it is not mandatory. It has to be the same type. The only difference, the second difference is like the brace should be a this curly braces you have it. Okay. So here, if you want to access, give the key, you will get the value. Okay. So let's give a key. Okay. Let's give the key as created, and I should get Arun. If I give copyright, I should get the viewers. Okay. So let's change it over here. I'm going to give the copyright, so my expected answer should be viewers. So in the below, if you see it, it gives the value viewers. So it's little small, so believe me, whatever I say. Okay, if you want to change it, you can change it in the same way. Copyright equal to something. So let's change the copyright to myself from the viewers. Okay, so I'm just going to give it. So if I run it, it will be set as the next value. My name. Okay, that's all. Here if you see, that's the value which is given. Thank you friends. Bye bye.